Every dermatologist has access to the latest serums, lasers, and procedures, but great skin doesn't start with a cream. It starts in the gut. When the gut is calm and well-fed, the skin becomes clearer, smoother, and ages much slower. That's why many dermatologists rely on certain foods daily. These 7 have real research behind them and support the skin from the inside out. Number 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that acts like a gentle shield against sun damage. Studies show it can lower UV redness by about 30 to 40% when eaten often. This helps keep the skin tone even and slows early aging. Number 6. Wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are some of the strongest antioxidant foods ever tested. They fight the free radicals that break down collagen and improve blood flow to the skin, helping it look healthier and more elastic. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados are full of healthy fats and vitamin E. Both strengthen the skin barrier so it holds moisture. People who eat more vitamin E-rich foods tend to show fewer fine lines. The fats also help the body absorb skin-repairing nutrients. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea contains EGCG, a compound shown to slow enzymes that break down collagen. This supports firmer skin over time. It also reduces inflammation, so skin looks calmer and more balanced. Number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens contain lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that protect skin from light-induced aging. They boost hydration and support repair. Folate in greens helps the skin fix small bits of daily damage. Number 2. Salmon. Omega-3s in salmon lower inflammation in the body and gut, which directly improves skin, and less prone to wrinkles and irritation. Research shows they boost the body's natural glutathione, protects collagen fibers from breaking down. Research shows they help the skin repair after sun exposure and increase hydration.